Like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get more updates from us.
I notice a traffic sign, which indicates that there is a major road ahead. I see a major road. I need to take a left turn here. I notice a yield sign as well, so I take caution and yield for vehicles coming from right and then take a left turn when it is safe to do so. I notice a signboard which says there is a roundabout ahead. I see a roundabout and also I notice a yield sign. So I yield for vehicles coming from right and take the second exit in the roundabout and proceed straight. Since it's a rainy day at this point I don't see a speed breaker ahead. But I notice a speed breaker sign, so I try to slow down the vehicle and anticipate for a speed breaker ahead. Now I see a speed breaker, I proceed further with caution. At this roundabout, I notice a yield sign, also I notice a car. So I take caution and yield for vehicles which is already in the roundabout, towards my right, and then I take the first exit and proceed straight when it is safe to do so. I notice a sign which means that there is a minor road on the right. So I take caution about this. While I am proceeding further I see a minor road on the right. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates.